Hi and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In this intro, I just wanted to take a moment and just show and share my gratitude and my sincere thank yous and just condolences for the 13 men and women that lost their lives in Afghanistan, helping so many in just a very trying time. And I totally understand that our freedom is not free, and I just appreciate their sacrifice, their honor, their families' honor and sacrifices. And I just wanted to take that moment to again just say thank you and just have a moment and look at their names, say their names, and just remember them. In this video, I'm going to be working on my front patio. This is just something I enjoy doing. I so enjoy, especially my front patio, because it's the first place that, people when they're coming to the front door see. And I just feel like your front entry, no matter what the size or, how it is the first place that everybody sees. And it's just a continuation or a intro to what your home is going to be like. So I enjoy just prepping it and getting it all ready for each season.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure.
So what I like to do first is I just get everything, cleaned out, hosed down, so we have a fresh start. I am going to keep the blue pads here because I still have the blue here. But I'm just going to incorporate the more fall colors. So this is all the stuff that was there for the spring. So I'm going to be figuring out if I'm going to just change out florals or what I'm going to do here. I wanted to get some mums, and I probably still will, but they're not out here in Arizona yet. So I may just do some florals or just leave a spot ready for mums and then give you guys an update, on that later. But then I've just got my throw pillows that I use. Here's some florals. My wreath, which I just purchased. And then this is my bin for this. I've just got some blankets, some scarves, some little characters, some little wreaths. And, just making it inviting and just super cute. So I'm just gonna set up the camera and I'm just gonna go for it and just start decorating.
This pressure's gonna get the very best of me. Give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried, if we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. We can do it better, baby, I believe. I believe. Even if I try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try so hard. Tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah.
Okay, so let me give you a look at what I did. I went ahead and spruced up, put a cute little blanket and a couple of really cute little pumpkins, pillows. I'm just sitting here thinking I would love to just do a bunch of pumpkins right here and everything, but you know, here in Arizona we really can't because they rot out so quick. So I think when Costco comes out with the mums here, I definitely will do some mums, and I just kind of have to forego, you know, the pumpkins. But I did this cute little floral for fall, and I've got my little friends up here as you walk in the house. I did get a new mat. Where did I get this? I got this at Michael's just the other day. So that was cute. I just went ahead and kept my runner here and got, this is new from Kirkland. Really loving that. If you can see, it's just the beautiful muted, beautiful colors for fall and the pumpkins. Just absolutely love that. And then I've got my florals on this side. You know, you always want to balance an area that you're decorating. So as you can see, I've got 2 of the greenery and 2 of the floral, and it just balances. That's all the same. And then we come over here to the little sitting area. And like I said, I kept the rug, I kept the cushions, and I just had these cute little pillow covers from last year, and I liked how the green kind of complemented the plant, brought in some beautiful fall. Have my porch signs, love those. And I just, you know, kept it real simple. Little scarves, I got those at Hobby Lobby last year. Those are actually scarves, not blankets. And then I had a leftover pillow, and I just felt like because I had so much going on this side that I just needed to maybe balance it out a little bit on this side. So went ahead and did that and cleaned the windows. These 2 wreaths I absolutely love. There's actually 4 of them in there. I doubled up the wreath so you can kind of see where there's this 2 different kinds. And I really think that's just a lot more impactful. I really liked it. So that's an idea. Those both came from Hobby Lobby, like 2 and 3 years ago. And then I just love this little sitting area. The grandkids love this, you know, with all the little dolls and stuff and little pumpkins and pillows, and it just looks really, really cozy. And with the extra florals, I just put these sticks up, our little scarecrow, and then I just added some fall interest to the chicken wire basket. So I just think that really turned out nice. And again, when the mums come out, oh, I got a car coming. When the mums come out, I probably will do a couple up here too. So, you know, this probably took me about an hour, you know, just playing around with stuff. And I think it turned out really cute. It's very welcoming, you know, and it's just, every time I've got somebody coming up to the door, they always, you know, say how much they love the entry, you know, at whatever time of season. And I just think that's important. It's just kind of a window into what the home is going to be. So take a little time and you know, just give your little front area, whatever size it is, a cute little, you know, even if it's just a chair with a blanket and a couple pillows. Perfect, you know, and maybe some mums or some florals like this. So I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration and gave you some great ideas, and to get out there and just decorate your patio or your front porch or front landing, whatever it is you have. It doesn't matter the size, it just, you know, making something homey. Have a great day, and I so appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.